So today I have it's my special day. Today is my birthday, on November 4th, and I got this beautiful paper bag and the boxes inside from my husband for my birthday present. Okay, let's start it. Beautifully wrapped. I have 2 boxes. This is the receipt. These 2 boxes. Can you guess? Actually, it's my wish list since earlier this year. Let's open it. Oh, what a beautiful ribbon. Untie this to open this with one hand, and then to reveal, ta-da! Oh my god, ya Allah. Oh, hold on. So this is the Dior saddle bag in medium or regular size. What a beautiful bag. I can handle myself. Oh, I love it so much. I forgot to ask. I think it's green leather. Actually, when I got this, when I go to the store on Saturday, they have two bag in this color. It's kind of blue color, but I choose the one that's the new one. So I'm using the box to make the camera. Okay, inside of the bag is what is it? Suede lining. There are one zipper pocket at the back. tap, pull tab. There is CD, you can see. Mine is made in Italy. Christian Dior made in Italy, if you can see. I think it's what a great bag. I love it so much. Okay, next we open the small box. What a beautiful ribbon on the packaging also. Oops. They wrap it very nice. You can guess it. Yes, you're right. It's a guitar strap, Dior strap. Oh my god! This blue and kind of red color. The Christian Dior, and the back also. Christian Dior. Mine is made in Italy. The leather is on black color, not the navy. See, with the gold hardware and the Dior. And the clasp. They say it's adjustable, but I don't think so because it's quite thick. My essay said it can be removed into this hole. Just move it to make it longer, but I don't think so. I think it's long enough for me. Okay, let's try to put this on the back. Oh my god. Usually they put it in the C or in the middle of C and D, but I think it will fit very nice in the C. So it will be like this. It will be like this. What a beautiful bag, and the strap. Oh my god. It's my 37th birthday. This bag, this Dior saddle bag, is my best ever birthday present. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you the next. I think I will upload it what fits inside, and I love it to wearing it, to use it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you had something to ask for me. I'm sorry for my English once again, it's not good enough. I hope you all understand, and see you next time. Bye bye.